How to use Pear AI for coding. So Pear AI is a coding platform or an app that you can download. So basically, first thing you want to do is go to your platform in the Pear AI and then log into your account. As you can see here, you can use your email or your Apple ID. Then after that, you want to download the app. So after that, you simply just download the app, choose a role, and then simply just go to the next and then your experiences and whatever you're using the app for. Now, after you download the app, you should be able to customize the app itself by logging in and then you'll see some details just look like this. Like the inventory, you'll be able to choose what type of items you're going to use the AI for and whatever it is. So you want to choose coding and then you can start coding. It's very, very simple because the app itself is like a Visual Studio platform where you can start coding immediately. As you can see here, it also has an AI. It makes you an expert on being a creator, an agent, you can even log in, and you can also have a launch option soon. And it's very, very simple. That's how you use Pear AI to start coding.